winter weather advisory remains in effect until 7 a.m. EST Thursday. What? Mixed precipitation. Total snow accumulations up to 1 inch and ice accumulations up to 0.2 of an inch. Where? Crawford, Erie, Huron, and Wyandotte counties. When? Until 7 a.m. EST Thursday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions and periodic poor visibility. The hazardous conditions will impact the Wednesday evening and Thursday morning commutes. Additional details: a mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain develops this afternoon. The heaviest precipitation will occur this evening as precipitation transitions to primarily freezing rain. Surfaces will rapidly become icy. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The Ohio Department of Transportation and Ohio Turnpike and Infrastructure Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.ogo.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions.